guys, welcome back to the channel, Yorkshire Crafter. And today I thought I would just come on for a little bit with you while I do my last row. My last row is just tucked under this seam here. So just trying to pull this back so I can get my hook under. There we go, just like that, when the hook doesn't ping up. So yeah, I've just got a few more hooks, a few more stitches, because I don't think I can actually finish the full row with the way that it's sewn, the edging. So let's just see how far I can actually get with it. So I'm struggling to get this one. Struggling to get this one up, but let's just see. I can get the hook in, it just depends. But yeah, just this last few. That's that one. I don't know if I'll be able to get this next one or not, because I really did struggle with that one, but we'll have a go. This video was actually requested by a viewer, by a subscriber, asking because they'd seen some pictures that I'd been posting, and obviously they knew I've got a channel and I don't want to. No, I don't think. Keeps slipping. Like it wants to hook, but can't get the edge. Hook it. See, if I hook it that way and catch it with the edge of the hook, I'll show you that in a minute. Sorry, that is my eldest. He's about to take the dog. Yes, I think he's about to take the dog for his walk, so sorry if you heard that. Let's give... No, that one is actually sewn in, So put these back, and I will just show you what I meant about the hook. So that end, that hook there, I actually hooked under the mesh, but this is just my hook that I bought from Hobbycraft. I did actually do an unboxing video in my Hobbycraft haul. So let me turn this, and that is the completed rug. So I am very happy the way that it's turned out. Let's just give this a bit of a brush, because sometimes the fibres and bits collect from it. So, but yeah, the extra fibres, and I bet some people could probably do something with that. What, punch needle, or, but yeah, like I say, that's just the excess fluff and, like I say, extra fibres and yeah, so there is actually quite a bit that's coming off this, but it's all coloured and yeah. So anyway guys, that is the finished latch hook. I'm going to take some photographs and put them on my, I'll put them on my Facebook group first. I do actually have a Facebook group. I don't know why, but I don't mention it all that often. It's the same as my YouTube channel. It's a Facebook group, Yorkshire Crafter, and I think I've only got about six members currently. But yeah, I shall go post some pictures on there. Then I will post some pictures on my Instagram, and then I will go and post them on the other various groups and yeah, other crafty groups and things, Facebook groups and things like that. So yeah, I am very pleased. I think it's looking really cute. Excuse me, I do apologise. I think it's looking very cute. I would definitely buy from this store again. I have actually seen another one, a wolf one, a couple of wolves that I'd like to do for my husband, for his bear cave, for his little room that he has. So yeah, I might be getting that one next. But the next latch hook that I will be starting will be one of the Hobbycraft latch hooks that I got. I have started kitting it up, and it will be this one. It'll be the red bus. But yeah, so I need to still experiment how I'm going to connect all those patches together. I think I've got some white wool somewhere, so I might cut some strands down, or I could possibly use some that are left over from other kits and see how many white strands that I have. So I'm just going to do a white in between each Hobbycraft patch that I have. So I shall leave that there for today, guys, and I hope you like this rug too. I'm going to put it under my desk in place, ready for it's basically going to be for Ted to lie on, our little doggy, if he ever comes up and visits me, or you know, see if I can get him interested in it, and yeah, maybe a little bit of a place for him to sleep while I'm crafting and things like that. So yeah, like I said, I shall leave that there for today, guys, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. And remember, guys, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Bye, guys.